So we're heading down from our beautiful place by the waterfall, and there's the ocean view out there. And we're walking down the trail. Big old deep gully down there. Very green here. There goes Anne. Around the bend. There's an ohia tree. And the clouds floating by. It's a beautiful day in paradise. A beautiful day in paradise. So there's the stream bed way down there, and deep old gorge, ohia lehua, and the ocean off there in the distance. And there's the goyles down there taking a little break. Where are they? Down there. So this is the next valley over, and there's another stream running through it, of course. There's a moss-covered tree, and the water comes in through the, I think it's a water ditch over there, and then it cascades down the hill into this water, into this stream here, which has more construction on it. Oh, EMI is busy. And this is another little waterfall. It was pretty this morning, but I love how it drains perfectly by the plant.
This is the one. This is the one.
Very nice in here.
And this come down here.
There's another little pool over there.
Yeah, this pool.
And here's the other side. Nice and calm after the cascades. There's the little waterfall. And Jane and Eleanor heading back up the trail. Here's the waterfall from the other side of the creek, flowing down into the main creek. And there's that moss-covered tree from the other side. So there's down below is that stream bed, but this valley isn't as nice as the other valley, and that's because it's full of this rose apple. Just acres and acres of it that are pretty much dead from a blight that came in about 4 or 5 years ago and would kill all the spring growth. And so you see a few little leaves on the ends of the branches, but mostly they're pretty darn dead. There's another ohia tree, and the clouds floating by. And there's some bamboo, which I hate to see growing up here because it just keeps spreading. This is the spreading kind, not the clumping kind. It's so invasive. As well as this plant. This is in the melastoma family. It's got the parallel veins on it, and it's related to this plant, the Coster's curse. And they're both in the melastoma family, related to Myconia, which is incredibly invasive. All of these are. Bad juju plants. This one has a pretty purple flower on it, so it has some redeeming qualities. Whereas this one, see, there's little flowers, but they're not very pretty. And the leaves are pretty, but wow, is it bad juju. Coster's curse, or clademia it's called. Okay, off I go down the trail. There's an interesting little thing right at the end of our hike. It looks like maybe an old grave there or something. There's rose apples growing out of it. It's totally covered in grass, except for that little pillar. Don't see any writing on it, but it's really quite degraded by the weather, so maybe there was writing at one time.
Petroglyph drawings on it?
I don't see any writing on anything. It's possible it's a grave though.